How to set up API on Janitor AI Mobile. So to set up the API on Janitor AI for mobile, you'll need to access the Janitor AI website through your mobile browser and then log in and then navigate to the API settings. So first thing you want to do is go to Janitor AI. So open your phone and go to the website itself. Then log in or sign into your Janitor AI account. Then you want to find the API settings. So locate the API settings section, which is under the menu or like a three-line menu icon on the Janitor AI website or within your profile settings. Then you can choose your API. So Janitor AI supports various APIs like OpenAI, Cobalt AI, and others. So after you get your API key, depending on the API you choose, you'll need to obtain an API key from the respective provider. Then enter the API details, so paste your API key to the designated field within the Janitor AI settings. Then you want to save the settings, so make sure you save your API settings. So after considering your keeping your tabs open, you can use Google AI as well if it's recommended. Then you can now test your setup. So once saved, you can now try sending a message to your chosen character to ensure the API is working correctly.